What's up, life is Kia? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope I persuade you to join my channel because I'm fun, I'm lit. So yeah, I'm just jumping right into it. So let's get into this little get ready vlog, concert vlog, wherever the title is. Yeah, let's get right into it, y'all.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Not if you book play and none of the black people here rap. I need to get out of Alaska. This is not working out. But I'm cute. But yeah, if they play swag surf and none of the black people here do anything, I gotta leave.
And the weeks can arrive to put in share that feel of love. I wanna
Okay, y'all, so it's day 3. Last clips was when I met Chingy, went to the Chingy concert, because they're not gonna stop even though I stopped. It's not stop sign, sir. Like, I get like you want to be nice and all of it, but you don't have a stop sign. I have a stop sign, but whatever. So anyway, so the last clip was going to the Chingy concert. So anyway, y'all, if you are in a small town or military town, whatever, like every page. I remember last time I told somebody this. Well, I don't like to, you know, go to the bar. I told a couple people just told me this. You don't have to go to the bar. You don't have to be a bar person. You have to be a club person. Just like the page. When you like the page, that shows that you are interested in events in that town. So just like it. I literally like every page. I cannot sit at home. I don't care if it's wintertime. You know, in wintertime it's gonna be cold. Maybe I'm just, you know, used to winter or whatever. Wintertime is gonna be cold. That's just how it is. If you don't want to deal with it, then you can leave that town for the winter. A lot of people do that. A lot of people do that. But anyway, it is Sunday, February 20th, and today is my husband's birthday. Why are you trying to go around? It's not that serious. Go around, I don't care. That's literally what they do here. They go around you because you go too slow. You go, I'm going the speed limit. You should leave out earlier. Anyway, off topic again. We are going, well, I am going to pick up my husband's cake. Today is his birthday. Insert clips of what I have done for him so far. It should be theirs because the kids are gonna eat it. So yeah, go get his cake and gonna enjoy our day. And it's like really bumpy. This thing keeps looking. See y'all in Walmart. So they gave me the wrong cake.
Okay, they gave you.
They gave me a Green Bay Packers cake.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck.
You ain't gonna eat it?
You better go back and get your.
No.
You better, no, you better go
Look
back.
at it.
No,
Look at it.
You better go back and
Look
get your
at
money.
it. Look at it. Okay, come here. Look at it. I asked for a picture of you. They put Green Bay Packers on it.
Yeah, you better go back and get your money then. How much you spend on that?
I
Okay,
didn't-
yeah, bet.
I didn't spend nothing on it. They gave it to me for free.
That's how you know the Packers ain't work. Shit. Bear down.
You like it?
I love it. I gotta take a picture. Ah, look at my birthday cake. Ah, look at my birthday cake. Ah. Hey, we're gonna take over the lead next year. Watch
I
this.
didn't ask for all orange like that, but
I made
that okay. Even though you say you're too grown for a picture.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
so
You gotta sing happy birthday now.
Wait, hold on. Give me a little bit of time, you know. It's my baby.
Happy birthday.
Not you. Make a wish.
I was supposed to make a wish? Okay.